Hi my loves, and welcome back to my vlog channel. Today I thought I might do like a different kind of style vlogging video, and what I'm thinking I'm gonna do with you guys is I'm going to head into Penneys, head over to the big Penneys, and take you through some of the new releases that Penneys have come out with. This is obviously, I'm not working with Penneys, I'm not sponsored, nothing like that. I just understand that a lot of you guys, like myself, love Penneys so much, and I very rarely vlog my visits there. So what I might do is I might bring you in to Penneys and have a little look around and see what they have that's new in. I'll probably do like music over it, and then if there's any like little bits and pieces I want to show you, then I might demonstrate that. I hope that makes sense anyway, because I was in Penneys yesterday and there's some goodies in. They have some goodies, but my camera was charging. So let's go into Penneys together. Let's have a look around and see what's going on. And if you live in the UK or anywhere else in the world, Penneys is known as Primark. A lot of people get so confused. I think I'm talking about JCPenney in the US. No, Primark. Primark is called Penneys here in Ireland. Anyway, enough said. Let's go on a little journey. Let's go over and see what is new and what is exciting in Penneys.